Bismillah Rahman Rahim. I have already uploaded this video before, but since my native language is Urdu, I am now translating into English. If there are any mistake in it, I apologize in advance. Throughout recorded history, whenever people have searched for a happiness, whether you read Bible, the Holy Quran, or any other book, I have found there are eight common points. Allah has placed happiness in these eight principles, and I have now shared them with you. Number first point, their happiness is forgiveness. The happiness that Allah has placed is in forgiveness. Those who say, I will remember and my future generations will remember too, can never be truly happy. Allah has placed happiness in forgiveness others. Those who forgive are much happier than those who burn in the fire of revenge. If you seek forgiveness for Allah, first forgive His creation, because in return God has granted your happiness. The second point, their happiness is forgetting. God has placed happiness in forgetting. People who overlook and forget the mistake of other happy lives. The secret behind children happiness is that they don't hold grudges and forget and move on. That is why God created night for a rest, so that human can forget the worries of the day. Those who constant remember the mistake of other can never be truly happy. Now I explain the third point. There is a happiness is giving. Allah has placed in happiness is giving and shared, not in hoarding. Those who only accumulated wealth are truly happy, but those who help other and share their wealth experience real joy. Great, is richest man Bill Gates, Steve Jobs donate generously because they find a happiness in it. Number fourth point, there is a happiness is in relationships. Allah has placed in happiness in relationships. Those who care for their family and love their relative live happier lives. In contrast, those who choose loneliness often struggle with happiness. Strengthening close relationship leads to true happiness. Now I explain the fifth point. The fifth point, there is a happiness is traveling. Allah has placed happiness in traveling. Those who visit different places, experience new culture, explore the world, find great joy. Throughout history, Sufia in Islam, scholars traveling extensively because they found spiritually happiness in it. So the number six point is there is a happiness is in learning. Allah has placed happiness in gaining knowledge. People who strive to learn something new every day are happier than those who don't seek knowledge. When you seek, hear, and learn new things, Allah reward you with happiness. Now I explain a seventh point. There is a happiness is in acceptance. Allah has placed happiness in acceptance. If a loved one passed away or great tragedy occurs and you don't accept it, you can't be happy. Life brings challenging difficulties and trials, but those who embrace them with patience and acceptance find great peace and a happiness. Now I explain a 8 point. There is a happiness in worship. Allah has placed happiness in remembering and worshipping Him. Those who remember Allah, God, are blessed with happiness. However, some people still don't feel happy despite worshipping because they lack truly great attitude. Worship is another form of great altitude. Those who are genuine grateful to God, Allah, experience deep happiness. There are eight principles which God or Allah has placed happiness. Thank you very much, and I really been appreciated you watching my video, and thank you very much.